3,665,000.
It's a property market that seems to defy all logic and certainly even surprises economists.
The resilience of the housing market, considering the uplift in interest rates that we've seen, we saw close to 10% price growth for house prices in Sydney over 2023.
That growth driven by high demand and short supply. With the median Sydney house price now hitting $1.6 million, Oxford Economics predicts prices will still grow, but more slowly in the first half of this year, 3.3% for houses, 5.2% for units. But it also expects stronger growth after that, lifting 5.9% for houses and 8.3% for units by June 2026. Obviously, what happens with house prices and with the moods of both buyers and sellers will very much depend on what interest rates do, and we'll get the first hint of that when the Reserve Bank meets for the first time this year in just 2 weeks. Each of the big four banks now thinks that at 4.35%, official interest rates have hit their peak. ANZ expects a 0.25% cut in November, hitting 3.6% by mid-next year. CBA says rates will fall from September, dropping to 2.85% by mid-2025. Westpac also expects a rate cut in the last quarter of the year, hitting 3.1% by the end of next year. NAB's economists don't see a rate drop until December, also expecting 3.1% by the end of 2025. And the hint of cheaper mortgages, well, that could add more heat to the market sooner.
Forecasts do sway consumer sentiment, and that could see some potential home buyers thinking that they've got to jump in before property prices go up.